Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today, our seventh week of online learning has started. Our today's lesson is from Unit 2, How People Have Fun. This is our first comprehension, The Red Rubber Ball, from our student book, page 18 and 19. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify new vocabulary and discuss its meanings, identify the main idea, how children have fun playing different games around the world.
Page 18. Read. The red rubber ball. High up on Antuco Mountain, Carlos kicks his red rubber ball so hard that it flies high in the sky like a shooting star. Far across the world, Ashanti is playing Daga with her friends. It's Ashanti's turn to be Daga, the boa constrictor. So she goes into the center of the circle. Her friends dance and skip around her while she acts like a snake and tries to tag the next Daga. It's fun to catch them. Ashanti is tagging a friend when something red drops out of the sky into the circle. Where did this come from? There is no ball in Daga. Ashanti laughs. She bounces the ball as hard as she can. It flies high and fast across the sky until she can't see it anymore. It flies over a forest, white cliffs, and a big blue ocean. Far away, Hyo and his brother are playing amok. Hyo plays with little dark pebbles, and his brother plays with little white ones. Hyo tries to line up 5 of his stones to win. Winning isn't easy. Hyo is finding the perfect place to put his stone when something red rolls into the middle of the game. What's this? You don't need a ball to play amok. Hyo smiles. Then he throws the ball as hard as he can. It flies far into the sky, over plains and seas. The Fernandez family is playing La Thuncuna. Papa draws boxes in the sand. Mama writes names in the boxes, one for each day of the week. Matthias tosses a stone, and Maria jumps over it. She lands in the next box without stepping on the line. Maria likes landing on one foot, and she puts her arms out to keep her balance. Something round bounces on her foot. Hey, what's this? There is no ball in this game. Everyone laughs. Maria tosses the ball in the air, and Matthias kicks it up into the sky. The whole family watches as the ball goes up and up until they can't see it anymore. High in the sky, the ball flies over lakes, canyons, and streams. Canyons and streams. Carlos holds out his arms and catches his red rubber ball. He is the only boy playing on Antuco Mountain today, but he is not sad. Carlos has friends all over the world.
Dear students, now that we have completed the reading of the comprehension passage, let's look at some of the difficult words and their meanings. Our first word is kicks. Strike or propel forcibly with the foot. Our second word is skip. Stepping from one foot to the other with a hop or a bounce. Our third word is bounce. Move quickly up, back, or away from a surface after hitting it. Our fourth word is cliffs, a steep rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. Pebbles, a small stone made smooth and round by the action of the water. Our last word is canyons, a deep gorge, typically one with a river flowing through it. Okay, now let's look at our assignment for today. Reread the comprehension passage on your own. Learn the word meanings by heart. We are not going to write down the meanings in the notebook. We are just going to learn it from the PPT. Okay, girls, thank you. I hope you have learned the main points of your lesson today. Stay home, stay safe.